we're back. I went ahead and rolled this forward a little bit so I could get the door open and get to these hidden bolts that retain the fender. There's two on each side, so we'll do that right now. I've got a small impact, cordless impact with a 13mm socket. There is a bolt right up in here, and another down in this location. So we'll get that out. Save those. Alright, while I've got this thing back on the floor, if you're going to disassemble the front end and the axles and all that, take the wheels off, go ahead and break the lug nuts loose on the wheels. I just did that. And also on the four-wheel drive models, I've got a 36mm socket for the axle nut. You can take this off. The wheel's not going to fall off. It's just for the axle shaft retention. It's a spline connection in there, and the hub is totally separate from the axle, so you can take these nuts off without the wheel falling off. So I'm going to do that, try to get this off. They're on there pretty good. Yeah, so that'll save me a headache later from trying to hold it still while the wheel's up in the air and the axle can turn. So alright, to continue to remove these fenders, there's a series of bolts that run all the way around the inner fender well. They're all 13mm hex head. They have to come off, and there's a bolt here, here. I already took the one out from the inside. There's one up here, and there's two more up in this area right here. So once we take those off, this should loosen it from the inner fender well. Oh, and there's also one underneath here from the inside. It comes back towards you in this area. So we have to find that. So let me get those off. Yeah, the little bit of damage we suffered on this corner is making it a little bit difficult. Get these out. Maybe I can take the inner and outer out together. One more bolt. That opens things up a bit. Now I'll go do the other side and see if it's better. Hey, welcome back. The driver's side was about as unfriendly as the passenger side, and you'll have that. You know, this vehicle is 22 years old. A lot of the fasteners are rusted. I tried to soak everything, you know, with the penetrating oil, but some of the things you just can't get to. And so I had to actually cut 2 of the bolts off for that. So, but they're off, and I've got new fenders. I've got new fender wells, so I'm okay with that. I've got a new core support. So yeah, I think that'll about do it for a day. I'm gonna grab something to eat and chill out a bit, and yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'll have an update pretty soon. Thanks.